Hi everybody, in this lesson I'll show you now how can we benefit from the label color. Here in the left, as you see, there are labels, colors assigned for each type of layer. You can change it manually by right click and assign a different color for this layer, for example green. Or you can change it, or you can change the default colors for each layer. You can go to Edit, Preferences, and Labels. As you see, After Effects assign a color for each type of layer: solids red, camera pink, light peach, and so on. You can assign colors. For example, you can change the color of the solid colors to blue. You can assign, for example, the red color to not checked, for example, or need revise, or something missing. Let's see now. As you see, all solids became blue, and if I assign this to red, it's not checked. Here you can visually organize your timeline and recognize each type of layer from their color. And it also helps us by you choosing select label group. It selects all layers with the same color label. I can now, for example, solo them and work only on these layers. It helps me to very quickly organize, recognize, select, and work on the same label group. So it helps us to work faster with After Effects. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson.